Anyway, hi everybody.
Alright,
so the way you're going to do this is, I think this is the best way to do it. I'm going to get you some better bowls. Well yeah, I'll just go through it. So I'm going to get you some better bowls, but take your sample, already sintered, put it in a bowl of water. Okay? This is, for all intents and purposes, a vacuum chamber. It's a desiccator, but for now, it's just a vacuum chamber. Alright, so place your submerged sample in this vacuum chamber. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hook up this little doohickey to the sink, and as you run water through this, it actually creates a suction, and it's going to suck the air out through this tube. So don't tighten it too much, because you'll destroy the threads, and then the next group will be really, really angry with you, or whoever uses it afterwards will be really angry. So just connect it up to the faucet. You can. Having trouble today. Am I turning it the wrong way? Maybe I'm turning it the wrong way. Yeah. Okay. So not too tight. It's gonna leak a little bit up here. It's okay. It'll still work. All right. So place the lid on. Make sure it's sealed. It's got an O-ring, so it'll compress the O-ring and create a pretty good seal. And then you want to make sure that the valve, and if you want to take a close look at that valve, it has 3 arrows, one going this way, one going that way, and one going towards the tubing. So you want to make sure that the arrow is pointed towards the tubing, because then you know that the valve is open. Turn on the water. It doesn't have to be too high pressure. It's not even leaking that much, so that's pretty cool. And it's going to start to suck the air out of the desiccator. I also posted on T-Square the ASTM standard for doing Archimedes principal density measurements. And it talks in detail about how long to do this, and you know, how accurate your measurement will be versus how long you boil the water. So you have to wait till the water boils, and then I'd say let it boil for about 10 minutes as a really, really, really inaccurate time. If you want to wait for like 15 or 20, that's going to be a lot more accurate. And you'll most likely be able to see whether or not there are bubbles coming out of your sample. So you want to kind of wait until those bubbles are gone, or at least until they're very infrequent, because that means that all the air is out. Alright? And I don't know if I really want to wait that long. I might just go ahead and show you guys.